Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm so excited to take you outside for watercolor painting on the go. It's fun to paint while you're traveling or even around town. There's sure to be something inspiring just around the corner, and if you have your paints with you, you can capture it in your very own unique way. In this class, you'll learn how to sketch out your scene, assemble an on-the-go painting kit, and take your watercolor painting from start to finish while on location. Plus, I'll share over a dozen bonus tips with you about color, depth of field, and much more. If you're not able to travel, or you have images you'd like to paint from a previous trip, I'll share my thoughts about that as well. This class is for any level of artist wanting to get mobile with your watercolor paints. It will give you skills you need to capture your world whether you're on vacation or on a lunch break. Watercolor painting on the go. I can't wait to see what you create.